Hi, my name's Taylor, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Stripe account in TenantCloud. Stripe is a great payment processor for people using credit or debit cards. The first payment made may take up to 7 days to process, but all payments after that will arrive in your account within 1 to 2 business days. Now let's set up a Stripe account. First, click on the settings gear in the top right corner. Next, click the online payment section from the left side menu. Select Setup from the Stripe section. Here, you will copy and paste the live secret key and live publishable key from your Stripe account into the corresponding fields. If you have not yet set up a Stripe account, you can do so right from the link on the screen. Once you've completed your Stripe setup, log back into TenantCloud and fill in the required fields. Select whether you or the tenant will be paying the transaction fee. Click Setup once you are done. And that's how easy it is to link your Stripe account to TenantCloud. To start managing your rental properties for free with simplicity and ease, just go to www.tenantcloud.com or click the link below in the description and sign up today.